To transfer data from your previous phone to Google Pixel 11, on Google Pixel 11 we can open Settings. Now over here in Settings we're gonna scroll down a little bit and we need to find the Accounts and Backup option. Over here in Accounts and Backup you should be able to find Android Switch. We want to choose that option. Now over here tap on the Start button and you want to choose Pixel or Android device. And there is a chance that your phone is going to pop up this prompt if you want to copy data to Pixel 11. If that happens, then of course that is great. You can just tap on Start in order to immediately connect and continue. And most of the time it shows up if you are using the same Google account on both Google Pixel 11 and your previous phone. So that should really make it much easier. But let's pretend that this doesn't show up. As you can see here, we have a QR code that we can scan on our previous phone. So you want to open the QR code scanner on your previous device and then scan this QR code. And then we should be able to continue. All right, there we go. Now after scanning, your previous phone is going to try to connect with your Google Pixel 11. There we go. You might also need to verify that it is you. So you need to enter the password of your other device, of your previous phone. So in my case, it's very simple. There we go. Let's go next. And actually, I moved forward, but at the bottom of it, there was an option to use the same password on your Google Pixel 11. So if you keep that option checked, then of course, after transferring everything, you will have exactly the same password on your Google Pixel 11. But you can actually uncheck that option, which I just forgot to mention, but you should be able to notice it. All right, now over here, we have the next button. So let's just go ahead and use it. Now we can copy apps and data. So of course, we're going to tap on Next. And now we need to wait a couple of seconds. There we go. Now we can choose exactly what we want to transfer. So of course, we can transfer apps, messages, call history, contacts, photos and videos, music and other audio. We have documents and some device settings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually uncheck everything because I don't need all of that. I'm going to only transfer photos and videos. I'm just going to keep that option enabled, maybe music and audio as well. And of course, in your case, you probably want to transfer everything that you can. So you can, of course, keep everything checked over here on this list. And keep in mind that the more data you need to transfer, the longer it's going to take to transfer everything. So keep that in mind. Here you will find the estimate time to complete this whole process. And once you are ready, just tap on Copy button. There we go. Now just wait for the transfer to be done. There is also this information that tells us that we can use a cable. So if you have a cable that fits both your Google Pixel 11 and your previous phone, which is going to be most likely USB-C to USB-C cable, which also means that you probably can use the cable that comes with the phone, then you should be able to use that as well to transfer data in case wireless connection fails for some reason. So keep that in mind. All right, there we go. Copying is done. So we can close this window on our previous phone. And we can tap on Done on Google Pixel 11. We are all set, so let's tap on Done. And there we go. That's pretty much it. If you need a tutorial on how to transfer data from iPhone to Google Pixel 11, you can check out my dedicated video. Leave a like and subscribe.